Buddy, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a blue exterior with a beige interior. Some nice wood grain accents as well as silver accents throughout as well. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Coming on to the back here, see our GLA 250 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. And just push button to close. Look at the rear of the vehicle. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And we do have memory seats, both driver and passenger side, so you can easily control the seats with the controls here. Save your favorite settings for easy access later. Driver door controls. Driver seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And we'll go ahead and take a look inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 67,314. And we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz shifter here. And then here's our display. You can see navigation coming up here in just a second. And while that's loading, take a look down here. So we do have heated seats for both driver and passenger, so those controls are right here. And I also have buttons to access the radio, navigation, cell phone settings, and below that we have climate control. And then to make adjustments on the display, you have your command module here. Just turn the dial, push to select. There's also a back button there as well. And so here's our navigation. And last but not least, backup camera. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this 2018 GLA 250 or any of the other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.